Hey guys, welcome back. This is Arif. In my last video, I explained the differences between above, over, and across. Today, I'm going to teach you one more important and useful topic, which is before and the difference between before, when, and after. So, let's start. We can use before as an adverb, as a preposition, and as a subordinate conjunction. When before is an adverb, it is used at the end of a sentence with present perfect tense. As a preposition, it is followed by a time expression, or you might see gerund. Gerund is the ing form of the verb which functions as a noun. Now, remember one point here. When before is followed by a time expression, before can also be replaced with by. Here, by and before have the same meaning. It means that earlier than this time. But when there is ing form of the verb after before, then you cannot use by here. As a subordinate conjunction, it combines two different classes, independent clause and dependent clause. And you will get a complex sentence when you have one dependent and one independent clause combined with the help of a subordinate conjunction. The difference between before as a preposition and as a subordinate conjunction is that after before you will see subject and a verb when it functions as a subordinate conjunction. But when it functions as a preposition, it is not followed by subject and verb. Before plus subject plus verb is also called before clause. You can also call it subordinate clause because before is a subordinate conjunction. It is also called an adverb clause because it is a dependent clause and it modifies the verb or an adjective or an adverb in the independent clause. I'll make examples later. Now, here comes the difference between before, after, and when. Remember, before is always used with the second action, and after and when are used with the first action. Let's have some examples. Here are the examples of before as an adverb, as a preposition, and as a subordinate conjunction. I have seen him before. Now here, the time is not specific. I don't know, maybe I have seen him a few days ago, a few weeks ago, a few months ago. The time is not clear, but I have seen him before now, before present. Now here, before functions as an adverb. The second example, I have seen him before 10 a.m. Every day before 10 a.m. I have met him, I have seen him. Now, in this case, we have 10 a.m. which is a time expression, so we can also use by. For example, I have seen him by 10 a.m. It means that before 10 a.m., maybe at 9:30, maybe 9:40, 9:45, 9 o'clock, 9:15, but not at 10 a.m. Third example, I have brushed my teeth before sleeping. Now, brushing here is the first activity and sleeping is the second activity I perform. I have brushed my teeth. I do this before I do this. Now here, before is followed by the ing form of a verb, which is also called gerund because before is a preposition here. Now in this case, we cannot use by. We cannot say, I have brushed my teeth by sleeping. That will give us a different meaning. So, by cannot be used here. The fourth example, I brush my teeth before I sleep. Example number 3 and number 4, they have the same meaning. But here, before is used as a preposition because there is gerund. And here, before is used as a subordinate conjunction because it is followed by a subject and a verb. Now, Still, brushing is the first activity and sleeping is the second activity I do. So, I brush my teeth first. After that, I sleep. Now here, before is a subordinate conjunction and this sentence is called complex sentence because of subordinate conjunction. I brush my teeth, this is called independent clause. Before I sleep, this is called dependent clause. So we have one independent and one dependent clause. The last example, I sleep after or when I brush. Now, after and when, they are opposite to before. As before shows the second activity, after and when show the first activity. So first I brush, then I sleep. Or I brush my teeth before I sleep. Now you have three options, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. However you say it, they will give you the same meaning. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.